Ayon kay Ivana, hindi po ako ang nasasabing girlfriend ni Mayor Albi Binetes. I met him when I had work in Bacolod. He was very accommodating and friendly at hindi lang siya ang politikong nakilala ko at naging kaibigan. I am currently seeing someone who makes me happy. All I can say is that he is a respectable businessman and not a politician. Sana this helps clear my name and clarify all rumors. Opo, klaro na po. At sana hindi totoo na mag-on sila dahil parang hindi naman sila bagay talaga. At kung meron mang nangyayaring kababalaghan sa buhay nila ngayon, ay wala na tayong pakialam doon. Pero ngayon parang may pakialam na dahil gumawa tayo ng reaction video ngayon. At kung kayo ay merong mga komento dyan na nanggagaling sa inyong isipan, mag-comment na kayo down below at sabihin